When I saw this peace lily plant, I truly thought it would not survive much longer. Its leaves were drooping, the stems were soft and weak, and the entire plant looked as if it had completely lost its vitality. But the interesting thing is that many wilted peace lily plants can actually recover if treated correctly and in time. Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Today I will guide you step by step to revive this plant, while also sharing a simple nutrient recipe made from familiar ingredients available in the kitchen that anyone can prepare. If you love ornamental plants, do not forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you do not miss more useful plant care tips. Let us get started. When the plant is wilted like this, the first thing we need to do is inspect all the leaves, stems, and root system. This helps determine the plant's current condition, while also allowing us to detect early signs such as yellow leaves, wilted leaves, or damaged roots so we can choose the proper treatment. Choose plants that still have a chance of survival, such as those with green leaves, healthy stems, or root systems that still have white and firm roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, take the plant and rinse it under clean running water. This helps completely remove the old soil, dirt, and impurities attached to the root system. At the same time, clean water also helps wash away soil that has become compacted or accumulated around the roots over time. Once the root system is clean, we will be able to observe the plant's actual condition more easily, allowing us to detect rotten roots, dry roots, or damaged roots and remove them in time. In addition, cleaning the root system before replanting helps the plant adapt better to the new environment and creates favorable conditions for healthy new roots to develop in the future. After that, place the plant in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight and let it dry naturally. This allows cut areas on the leaves or root system to seal, reducing the risk of fungal infection and rot after treatment. At the same time, the plant has time to rest, reduce stress, and adapt better before entering the next recovery stage. While waiting, I will prepare a fertilizer solution for the plant. Do you have rice at home? Rice is not only a familiar food in every household, but it also contains many natural nutrients such as starch, B, vitamins, and several minerals beneficial for plants. Prepare a blender like the one shown in the video. Add 3 tablespoons of rice into the blender. The next ingredient I use is oats. Oats contain a lot of starch, protein, B vitamins, and minerals beneficial for plants. When soaked and used correctly, oats can provide an additional natural nutrient source. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Add 3 tablespoons of oats into the blender containing the rice. Close the lid and blend until smooth. Blending thoroughly helps break the ingredients into finer particles, increasing the contact area with water during soaking. As a result, the nutrients are extracted faster and more effectively, making it easier for the plant to absorb them during use. After blending, we will obtain a powder like the one shown in the video. Prepare one clean glass cup. Pour the blended rice and oat powder into the clean glass cup. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to dissolve the blended mixture. Use a spoon to stir well so the solution mixes evenly. Hot water helps the nutrients in the rice and oats extract faster, while also helping the mixture blend evenly, creating a natural nutrient solution for plants. Cover the cup and let the solution steep for 1 hour. While waiting, I will prepare the growing medium. Use 50% loamy soil. Loamy soil contains many natural minerals and has good water and nutrient retention, helping provide a stable nutrient source for the plant over a long period. Next, use 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir retains moisture well, while also creating a loose and airy structure in the growing medium, helping the roots develop more strongly. Prepare a clean pot, add these two ingredients, and mix them thoroughly together. Proper mixing helps distribute the components evenly, creating a growing medium that is both nutrient-rich and well aerated, making it ideal for root development. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Now, we have soil ready for planting. After 1 hour, when the rice and oat solution has cooled, I strain it using a sieve to remove the residue and keep only the liquid. Filtering out the residue helps make the solution smoother and more uniform, preventing spray bottle clogging or residue buildup on leaves during use. At the same time, the plant will absorb the nutrients in the solution more easily and effectively. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That is it. We now have a nutrient solution ready to use for the plant. First, pour the rice and oat solution into a clean container. Then place the peace lily into the container so that the entire root system and base of the plant are submerged in the solution. Soaking the plant in this solution helps the roots absorb water and nutrients gradually, supporting better recovery after treatment and creating favorable conditions for healthy new roots to develop. Soak the plant for about 15 to 20 minutes. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle or watering bottle and store it in the refrigerator. With this method, you can store the solution for 3 to 5 days without having to make a fresh batch repeatedly. This helps save time, effort, and cost, especially for busy people who still want to care for plants regularly. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the plant from the rice and oat solution. Next, use tissue paper or a clean soft cloth to dry excess liquid from the leaves, stems, and roots. Drying the plant helps remove excess solution from the plant surface, reducing prolonged dampness that could create favorable conditions for fungal growth. At the same time, the plant becomes more ventilated and ready for the next replanting step. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Now comes the important part. Prepare a pot with drainage holes at the bottom, like the one shown in the video. These holes help excess water drain easily, reducing waterlogging and allowing the root system to breathe better. First, spread a layer of soil at the bottom of the pot. This layer creates a foundation for root development and helps stabilize the plant after planting. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot so it stands upright without leaning. After that, add another layer of soil on top and gently cover the roots completely. This helps secure the plant, keep it upright, and create a favorable environment for root growth. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. That is it. We have completed replanting the peace lily and are ready to move into the next care stage. At this point, water the base of the plant with a moderate amount of clean water. Watering helps the growing medium and root system make closer contact, while providing the necessary moisture for the plant to adapt quickly to its new environment after replanting. Be careful not to water too much to avoid waterlogging that may affect the roots. In addition, you should water slowly around the base instead of pouring all at once, allowing the water to be evenly absorbed throughout the growing medium and reducing runoff. Furthermore, always check the moisture level of the growing medium before each watering to ensure the plant receives only the necessary amount of water. This helps keep the root system stable and prevents the risk of root rot during the early stage after repotting. After that, place the plant in a dry, cool place and allow it to rest for 3 to 5 days. This gives the plant time to rest and reduces stress after treatment and replanting. At the same time, a stable environment helps the root system adapt better, reduces water loss, and creates favorable conditions for fast recovery. After 3 to 5 days, take the rice and oat solution out of the refrigerator and gently water around the base of the plant. This solution helps provide additional natural nutrients to the plant, supports healthier root growth, and promotes recovery after replanting. When the root system functions well, the plant will quickly produce new leaves, grow greener, and become more stable. Continue caring for the plant by watering with a solution once per week for 2 months, and you will be amazed by the transformation. Results. After 2 months of consistently applying this method, the result truly surprised me. From a wilted peace lily with yellow leaves, drooping foliage, and seemingly beyond saving, the plant has now recovered strongly and regained its vitality. The old weak leaves have gradually been replaced by many new young leaves that are greener, thicker, and glossier. The foliage has become fuller, stronger, and full of life. Not only has it developed new leaves, but it has also begun producing pure white flower stalks. The flowers bloom more evenly, look more beautiful, and last longer than before. The root system has also become stronger, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, allowing stable growth and continued leaf and flower production over time. What do you think about this rice and oat powder method? Have you ever tried applying a similar method to your plants? Please leave your opinions, experiences, or questions in the comments below. Great Garden reads every comment and will try to respond as soon as possible. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you do not miss simple, cost-saving, and effective plant care tips in future videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I wish your garden always stays green, your plants remain healthy, and your home is filled with beautiful flowers. See you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.